Hi, in this video I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of Workspace Automation add-on and how to install it and use it. So you can directly on the Workspace Automation website click on Install Add-on in order to basically go to the Google Workspace marketplace to install the add-on. Once it's installed, you will be able to find it directly within your Gmail accounts and your Google Sheet accounts. So here, for example, I can find the Workspace Automation add-on on the side panel here. And as I've already connected two of my business tools, such as Aircall, which is a call center solution, and my CRM HubSpot, as soon as I'm going to open an email of a client or a prospect, basically Workspace Automation is automatically going to try to find relevant information within my tool. So as you can see here, the add-on managed to extract some of the data from the email, such as the phone number of the prospect and his name and email address. And thanks to that, he managed to find a contact and an organization within my HubSpot accounts, as well as several calls from my Aircall accounts. So at any time, I can dive into those piece of information. If I want, for example, here to take a look to what this call was about in Aircall, the add-on is going to fetch the relevant information. So, for example, I know when the call has occurred. I can listen to the recording of the call directly here. I've got several information regarding tags that have been set within Aircall related to this call and so on. So that's basically the main information that you will find regarding Aircall call. And you will also be able to perform some action directly within Aircall. So, for example, add this number to a per dialer campaign, or even start a call directly with this prospect. If I'm going back, as you can see, there is also a possibility to perform some action, so such as, for example, create a new contact directly within Aircall. So if I click here, basically the add-on is going to extract all the relevant data and pre-fill basically the information of the contact, so that in one click basically I can create the contact in my Aircall account. This also works with HubSpot and all the tools basically that we are providing. And this is how to use it on Gmail, but if you are more a data person and want to use, basically leverage all the data from your business tool right within your Google Sheets accounts, you will be able, for example, to import data from your tools as well as creating data in batch. So, for example, be able to create thousands of HubSpot leads directly from a Google Sheet list, or even create synchronous data sheets. So, for example, each time a new lead is created in HubSpot, it's automatically going to be synchronized with your Google Sheet so that you can perform any type of action or data visualization, for example, with Data Studio. So here I'm just going to do a quick example of importing some data once again from Aircall. So I'm going to select the service or add a new, I could have added another services from the list of provided service. In Aircall I want to import some calls. And there I could, so it's very limited in terms of setup for the Aircall import call. Basically, it's only filtering the call based on their phone number, but on other services, I could do more filtering. So let's actually not filter anything, just retrieve all the list of calls that I have currently on my Aircall account. And as you can see, the add-on found 44 calls within my Aircall account that I can import in one click in this datasheet. And yes, as you can see now, I've got all the information from my call, from which Aircall line the call has been made, who made the call, and I obviously hidden the column with the phone number of the person I've called for privacy reason, but you've got the ID. And yes, so that's basically how it works. And basically we are going to bring the add-on to even more Google tools such as Slide, Google Docs, Google Drive, and so on.